I have a today much closer setup, so we'll see how that will do. Here I am. So, I'm done for today. I was just lowering the car. That's it. I'm not gonna change the engine oil now. I will have to wait like a week for the filter. So my solar panel works. I'm gonna install it on my roof of my car, I mean on the side of the car, so it will still keep my battery charged. I'm not driving now because it's quarantine and I am infectious right now. And the worst is already behind me, a really sore throat.
Don't blame me, a little